Hey everyone, I'm going to try to show you how to use the course competency sheets for the departments. So first of all, you're going to notice that some of them have these little lock signs on them. They're just locked in the sense that it's going to warn you not to mess with those unless you're really supposed to be. You really don't want to change the template because you're going to just copy that to make new classes. So for example, I'd click on the down arrow, I'd go to duplicate. It's going to make copy of clickable template. I rename it fake math because I already did the other ones. And now this is a math class. So for my math class, I'm not doing ELA standards. I actually could. I think that it's wise to leave some of these in here if there is a link, because it's not a requirement, just lets everyone know. But if I uncheck it, notice it disappears. For math, I'm definitely going to have the math. I probably could have some science. I'm going to leave it off for now, though. I have to do habits of success. And I know I have to do next gen essentials. That is on the roadmap. It tells me what I have to do and what's optional. So I can look there to figure that out. Going back to this class, I'm not going to do anything else until I actually go through and fill out the rest of this. And then notice that here it says, enter the amount of time skills will be covered in each quarter. Do this when you are not in filter view. So I'd go to them. I'm just going to quickly choose some real quick. Like I have to do this one. It's going to automatically tally. So if I type organized and prepared, I do that. This one is supposed to be every quarter. Notice that it already fills in the 4 for me. I want to do all of this before I do anything else. So I'd go through and I'd look at all the ones I'm supposed to do, figure out what I can and cannot do, how many times I'm going to do it approximately. It's not set in stone at this point, so don't worry, you can't mess it up. And then when I'm all done, I'm going to go up here to data. I'm going to go over to filter views, and I'm going to go to filter 2. And what it's going to do is get rid of all the other stuff for me. So you only see what you need to cover in this window now. So notice I have the math, I have the NGE, and if I had gotten that, I didn't have some success, it'd also show up there. So that's how you use the template. I can also just delete out what I don't want. If you don't want to go through this filtering process, I can go to filter views, none. And I know I'm not using the orange one, so I could just highlight, right click, and delete those rows so they don't exist. I could do that for all of the ones that I do not want. Delete rows and so on. So you have many options on how you can use this. Probably the easiest is just to delete the rows. There you go. Thanks.